Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 412 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today, I'm going to be trying out from my March Ipsy Glam Bag, the Ofra highlighter in Star Island, and I was so excited to get this in my Ipsy bag this month. And if you want to see my Ipsy unbagging, I will be sure to link that video down below. But so, I've never even tried an Ofra highlighter before, even though I've heard so many great things about them and I've been really wanting to try one. I just hadn't gotten the chance to yet. So this was like the most exciting thing to get. And so a little bit about this product. It says, this silky formula is infused with pearl pigments to illuminate your features so you're left with an incandescent glow. And so the Ipsy bag is only $10 a month, but you can buy this highlighter at Ulta for $29. And it's very high rated, and basically it's like an ivory shade, and it's perfect for light skin tones. And that's something I really like about Ipsy, is that you put in your hair color, your eye color, your skin tone, all of that information, so then the products are really curated for you. So because I have fair skin, I got this shade of highlighter, which looks so beautiful and perfect. So let me start out by swatching this. I just love the texture of these. So they are liquid that's been baked, and oh my gosh, they're just like such creamy powders basically. And oh my gosh, like the pigment and the sheen of this is so gorgeous. I am so excited to see how it's gonna look on my skin. So first I'm going to take a fluffy brush and see how it applies like that. But if I want it to be even more blinding, I will try out some other methods. Oh my gosh. I love how this applies with a fluffy brush. Oh, so perfect. Seriously though, look at the glow and the difference. Like the way the light hits it, it's so beautiful. Versus this side without the highlighter. It really does look as beautiful on the skin as I was hoping it would. I love this shade because when it reflects the light, it really is kind of like a golden silver actually. Like it really does complement my skin tone, where it looks like my skin is glowing, like my natural skin tone is glowing, if that makes any sense. Let's see if I were to apply it with my finger, how it is buildable. Oh my gosh. You can seriously layer this on until it's basically fully opaque, and it still looks amazing on the skin. Wow. Like if I want the most intense highlighter that's going to be instantly noticeable from far away, I am able to achieve that. I love this. It's really living up to my expectations. Now let me just go ahead and add some glow all over. And I really do love how buildable it is, because that means it's suitable for any type of makeup look, any time. Like if I really just want something subtle, I can get it with this. If I want something bold, I can get it with this highlighter right here. And it seriously is so easy to apply. It blends out beautifully, and it reflects the light very evenly. It looks smooth on the skin. So yeah, I am so excited about this. And I love that it's glow without being glittery. That's my favorite type of highlighter, when you can't actually see like a strip of sparkle and it more just looks like healthy, glowing skin, and that's what this does for me. I'm so happy I have so much of this. I'm going to be able to use this for so long because of all of this product. And this color I think is so beautiful with my skin tone right now, which is as fair basically as I can get. So this is perfect for me. But let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any Ofra highlighters and what your thoughts are on them, and if you have any recommendations for other ones that I should try out, because now I want to try out more and more of them since I really do love it and it really does live up to my expectations, and I know that they make so many gorgeous highlighters. Gosh, this really is an amazing Ipsy bag, and I'm so excited to try out the other products in my upcoming videos. And thank you so much for watching today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.